Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So you know that saying, you can't fix something unless you know what you're fixing? Well, that's true for your lawn. Now, it's easy to deal with dandelions and crabgrass, right? But I've got something right here that's been evading those treatments that I want to show you that I just figured out how to deal with. So what I'm really trying to say is, if you know exactly what kind of weed you're dealing with, you can come in there with precision and deal with that weed. Now I'm going to show you a way with a Apple iPhone that you can just take a picture of that weed. There's no app required, and then you can figure out exactly what it is, and then of course treat it accordingly. So the cool thing about this is, if you have an Apple iPhone, all you need to do is open up your camera app and take a picture of the weed. Let me show you how to do that. I've already got the app open. Come on down here. Here's my unknown weed right down here. Let me take a picture. Then when I'm done taking a picture, I just hit this button right down here, and you're gonna notice there's this little information button right in the center. Hit that information button right there, and you're gonna see here it says look up plant. Hit that. Let's do that. And the results are down here. So in most cases, the pictures of the plants down below will give you a good starting point to figure out what you're dealing with. Now keep in mind, this will work for household plants, it will work for trees, pretty much everything green except money, you know, even though that does grow on trees, right? So just like I said at the top of this video, you have to know what you're dealing with to deal with it. So now that you know what kind of weed you've got, you can buy the exact chemical to deal with that weed and hopefully end up with a nice, green, lush backyard. So now that you've got your lawn looking great, you're gonna need some yard tools to maintain it, and I got just the video for you right there. You're gonna wanna go and check that out. You know, let's do this together. Catch you over there.